Today we're going to talk about BMW 740Y6 HP gearbox's common issue. Let's look at the DTCs. It has this DTC parking gear sensor damaged. So this is the main problem of this TCU. Problem lies on the faulty sensor. So we swap it with a new sensor. And it should be okay. Let's try it. First, remove the original sensor. We need to remove this cover. Around here. Slowly pull it up. Remove this. Once it's taken off, now we can see where the sensor has been soldered. Let's start with the soldering iron. Let's disconnect the sensor. Disconnect these wires. Install the new sensor and solder the wires. Okay, then we reinstall everything back. Install the TCU on the valve body. Install everything back on car, and it's done.